Batman. I cannot believe that tomorrow is Halloween, and everyone is celebrating another year of parties and trick-or-treating. But not me, because I am still banned from celebrating Halloween during my grounding time, and it's all because of my worst enemies who got me into trouble every single darn year. Everyone's gonna pay for ruining my Halloween celebration, and I'm about to give them their worst fears they can ever be scared of. But what should I do to give them their worst fears tomorrow night? I got it, since I've heard that they are hosting a Halloween Day parade tomorrow night. How about I give them some fear toxins just like Scarecrow used to infect the people from Batman? This will be a taste of revenge against my enemies, and they are about to have their worst nightmare of their lives. Now let's prepare the fear toxins before tomorrow night's parade. Alright. Everyone is still celebrating, but they do not realize that they are going to be freaking out and panicking from the fear toxin gas that I'm about to fire. Luckily for me, I am immune to the fear gas, so I will be okay. So, prepare for a scary event. The plan is working. Everyone is starting to panic after inhaling all the toxin gas. Luckily for me, I am immune to this gas. Now let's get out of here before I get caught by someone in this hall.
At around 8 p.m. during the conclusion of the Halloween parade, a mysterious fog came out of nowhere, causing the crowd to go into a state of panic. Sources say that the mysterious fog was fear toxin gas, that was used to hallucinate people like Scarecrow from Batman used to do. After tonight's chaotic incident, hundreds of people have to be sedated and taken to multiple hospitals across the city.
Hey, good thing nobody is ever gonna learn about that I was the one who did it. And not even the police who were incapacitated by the gas that they don't have any evidence to prove it.
But wait. We have surveillance footage of the perpetrator who caused the incident in the first place. Here's the footage that we like to show you who that person is. As you can see in the footage, the identity of the perpetrator is none other than Slender Engine, who managed to flee the scene after committing a crime at the parade. And the police is issuing a message to Sir Topham, Hatt and the Sodor engines who are watching this report. You will have to pay over $500 million to the damages at the parade site and to the victims who are being traumatized by the fear toxin gas. They must be paid by the end of this year, or else Slender Engine will be sentenced behind bars for over 7,840 days. This concludes this special report, as we will be continuing our coverage of the chaotic incident at the Halloween parade tomorrow morning.
What? Impossible. I could have sworn that there are no cameras at the spot that I was hiding in. And now I'm in huge trouble big time. Sir Topham, Hatt and the engines will sure to find out about what I done tonight.
Slender Engine. Get over here right now. You are in big trouble. Slender Engine. We've just saw on the news that you ruined this year's Halloween parade by making people have hallucinations with your fear toxin gas that you fired at them. Why in the world would you do something like that?
Because this is revenge for ruining my Halloween fun every year. You should have listened to my enemies after everything I had done to them every single darn year.
Well, that doesn't give you the right to hurt hundreds of people at the parade. You totally deserve it for causing trouble to the people you knew every year. And you don't get to celebrate Halloween every year if you keep doing all the bad things to innocent people you hurt.
You also made us to pay a large amount of money for the damages to the parade and to the traumatized people you infected with fear gas as well. For this, you are now extremely grounded for 48775 days.
Now go back to your shed and you will never ever celebrate Halloween next year.
Curse you, Buzz Lightyear!
Subscribe for more a ton of awesomeness on my channel. And don't forget to comment for requests that you want me to make. Be sure to notify once you click the notification bell. This has been a Henry Martinez FTW New York 2020 Universe Productions.